What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here with George Voodoo of the Voodoo Glow Skulls.
What's up, everybody?
And our motorcycle mechanic, Little Bill. And today we got ourselves the Tao Motor DBX1, and we're gonna go ahead and take this thing out and check it out. And we brought in somebody good to be riding, and that's Joe. That's Bill's son, and he's an experienced rider, and he's gonna tell you guys all about this bike after we get done riding it, and we'll give you a good review of it. All right? So let's get on with it.
Let's do it.
Shall we? All right, guys, there you have it. There's the Tao Motor DBX1 140cc dirt bike.
Really cool bike. What'd you think, Joe?
I think it has good suspension parts, it handles good, and it has good brakes.
What do you think, Bill?
I really like the external oil cooler and the upgraded disc brakes. I also like the support here for the pegs and the inverted suspension with the dampeners and the adjustable triple trees for any rider from a beginner to an adult. You can adjust it, and the ball bearing throttle. And I also really like how they did the details with the all the anodized parts that match. If you look at everything, there's a lot of details you can't see in the camera, but there's a lot of anodized little parts that go with it. It looks really good. Looks as good as a mainline bike.
So all around a good bike for anyone from a beginner all the way up to an adult, let's say.
Yep. I think it's a fun bike to ride. You've seen him catching the air on it. You've seen him going around. You know, we're going to have some other stuff coming up with Joe and Bill as well, with some details of some other dirt bikes coming up as well. So you'll be seeing a lot more action out here with the Tao Motor products. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank George Voodoo from the Voodoo Glow Skulls for coming out. I want to thank Joe and Little Bill for coming out. Really appreciate you guys riding. Really appreciate it, brother. And of course, the Tao Motor DBX1. This is an awesome bike. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to come back to Dorito and the Lucha Cabre. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Ah, not again, dude.